Hi, I'm Gomatiram. In this video, we are all going to see hook stitching on a sewing machine. Let's get into the video. First step, you are going to change the length of the stitches. I'm going to change 0, which is standard, and I'm going to change zigzag, which is step 2. Step 3 is change the bottom material. You have this material on your toolbox, which is for buttonhole materials. You have to place it. Then require materials, take any cloth or unfinished garments as you have, then pencil, then brush, and open it. Now I am going to mark the length of the hook and midpoint also, top and end of the hook. Mark midpoint. You can see I have marked here. Now I am going to tear the cloth by using this material to insert the hook. Just we need the space to insert the hook, that's why we are doing like this. Once you done, like this, you need the space. You can see this. Now insert the hook. The hook is very close, so you have to wide it little bit. So I used the scissor to wide it little. Now you can easily insert. You can see the difference. Everything done, let's start sewing it. Now fix the hook under the bottom. Now don't go with your foot pedal, run your machine by hand wheel and check the stitches which is inside the hook or not. The space between the hook and the stitches is normal. You go on sewing by foot pedal. Or your needle hit the hook or the stitches places wrongly, means you have to adjust the stitches right side or the wrong side. Once your adjustment done or you find the place between the stitches, you keep stitching continuously. It is very easy to stitch hooks on machine. You must try any other machine with these adjustments. It's how it looks. Now I move on to further hooks. I hope this video is useful, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Teguns. Till next video, I'm Gomti Ram signing off. Bye bye.